What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another media breakdown. Today I'm going to be breaking down this Cultured magazine shoot with Travis Scott. I was not a part of this shoot. My analysis is strictly for educational purposes, so I can get 1% better every day at being a creative director and art director. I'm going to break down the set design and styling, the color theory, the composition and framing, the fashion, the typography and layout, team roles, camera, lens, lighting, and culture for all 6 of these photos. Starting with the set design and styling. In the cover shot, Travis wears a layered look with a leather jacket over a wool coat, suit and tie, all from Prada, paired with Oakley sunglasses. The second image showcases a casual workwear inspired outfit with a CP company shirt. I actually ID'd this shirt. It's called the Wool Gabardine shirt. The third image shows Travis in a more polished look wearing a Bottega Veneta shirt and tie. This outfit showcases a more refined side of his style. Here, Travis wears an all-black Bottega Veneta outfit. The diptych, or mirrored photos here, presents a unique and clever concept. The left image shows Travis Scott wearing the outfit, while the right image shows the same outfit in the same position, but without Travis. The framing is mirrored, as you can see here. The image on the right showcases the clothing alone, allowing viewers to focus on the garment's details and construction without the model present. This approach is reminiscent of fashion still life photography, but with a twist by maintaining human form. In this photo, the layering of the Ferragamo coat over the CP company hooded jacket creates a rich textured look that's both luxurious and functional. The Oakley sunglasses add a sporty modern edge to the otherwise classic silhouette. For color theory, a neutral color palette was used. Neutral color palettes like this are timeless and sophisticated. The consistent use of these neutral tones across the series ties all the images together, and the muted colors from the clothing allow the skin tones and features to stand out. The magazine cover showcases clean custom serif typography for the Cultured masthead, which aligns well with the minimalist aesthetic of the shoot. The placement of the Provocateur issue headline and Travis Scott's name adds visual interest without overwhelming the image. For team roles, these were all of the people listed publicly that took part in this shoot. The photographer was Pieter Hugo, and the stylist is listed as Hardstyle, which is a stylist duo consisting of Perry Rosenzweig and Nick Royal. The extended team included 2 hairstylists, a makeup artist, a set designer, a production crew, a retoucher, photography assistants, and a styling assistant. The images were likely shot with a high-end digital medium format camera such as a Hasselblad or a Phase 1 system. These cameras are favored in fashion photography for their exceptional image quality, color depth, and ability to capture fine details. Pieter Hugo, the photographer, is known to use a Hasselblad camera. The large sensor allows for extremely high resolution, which captures extreme details in fabric, skin tones, and lighting. I'd guess that a 100mm f2.2 prime lens was used, which is equivalent to around 85mm in full frame, because again, we're assuming that this was shot on medium format. This lens is flattering for portraits and allows for a nice separation between the subject and the background. If I were to guess how the lighting was set up for this type of shoot, I would guess that a main light was set up on the left side of Travis because of the way that the light is falling on his face and the shadows here. There's likely a fill light to fill in some of these shadows on the right side of his face. There's likely a background light evenly illuminating the background, and then a hair and edge light behind the subject to separate him from the background. Here are some of my cultural takeaways from the shoot. Travis Scott's presence on the cover of Cultured magazine positions him not just as a musician, but as a cultural icon and style influencer. The choice of brands like Prada, Bottega Veneta, and Oakley shows a mix of established luxury houses and more accessible brands, appealing to a wide range of consumers. The Provocateur issue tagline suggests that the magazine is positioning Travis as a boundary pusher in both music and fashion, likely resonating with younger consumers who value authenticity and innovation. So that's it for another media breakdown video. If you learned something new or found this valuable, please like and subscribe. If there's something that you'd like me to break down in the future, please leave a comment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.